child, this is what my makeup should have looked like. This is how I should have set it off at prom. Like, baby, do you see this? Do you see this purple smoky eye? Like, baby, I would have set prom all the way off. Like, your queen is here. This is how my makeup should have been, y'all. But I mean, think about the times that we were in. We were in 2009, you know. Not a lot of people in high school knew how to contour or even how to properly blend eyeshadows. So I'm just saying, the glow up is real. Look, this is how my hair should have been. A nice little 90s swoop up into a little curly bun with the little statement piece. Like, y'all, and this is how my makeup, you know, if I was to go to a prom right now, this would be my look. Like, baby, I would set it off at prom, and I would go in and give all the girls the business with this, because who? Baby, you can't tell me my face ain't beat. But I want to say thank you guys for coming through and watching my video. It really truly means a lot to me, y'all. We have hit 400 subscribers. Like, what? I know that may be small to some, but to me, you guys, that is huge, because that means that 400 of y'all enjoy me. Y'all enjoy me. Y'all enjoy me. And I'm so appreciative. I promise you, I'm so appreciative of the fact that you guys come through and you watch my videos and you like my videos. So I just want to say thank you from the bottom of my big brown heart. Thank you. I truly do appreciate you. But you already know what I'm gonna say. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to join this here tribe. And share me. Share my content with somebody. Go ahead. Don't be stingy with me. Share me. Alright, you guys. I will be back with another video very, very soon. Alright. Bye.